Have you ever played with magnets and wondered how they can stick to the things or pull other objects towards them? Magnets are really cool because they have a special power. Magnets work because they have something called magnetic force. It's like a magical force that helps them attract or stick to certain things. You see, magnets have two ends, and we call them the North Pole and the South Pole. Just like the Earth has the North Pole and the South Pole. When you bring the North Pole of one magnet close to the South Pole of another magnet, they stick together. It's like they're giving each other a big hug. But if you try to put two North Poles or two South Poles together, they push each other away. It's like they're saying, "Oops, we can't be friends." The reason magnets can stick to the things is because there are tiny things inside them called atoms. Atoms are like the building blocks of everything around us. Some atoms have special properties that make them magnetic. When the atoms inside a magnet are lined up in a special way, they create a magnetic field around the magnet. So, when you play with magnets, remember that they have a special magnetic force that makes them stick to certain things. It's like they have invisible arms that want to give hugs to other magnets. Tell me in comment section below what you'd like to know in the next 2 minutes. Until next time, take care and have a good nap.